I made it to TED because coming to TED was my dream. The next 18 minutes or so will be hell for you. And I just care only about my dream because I am the pilot for my life and I will lead it and I will take control of it fully. I wouldn't let anybody drive my life. And this is the thing that I learned the hard way. And somebody asked me, if you want to change something from your life, and I said, let me think. No, I don't want to change anything. My God, this light. I don't want to change anything because if I would change anything and I would make my life all rainbows and butterflies from the past, I wouldn't have learned anything. And it's just God's way of teaching you. And some bad kids are smacked harder and some just learn it the right way. So I was the one who needed to be smacked really hard. And today it's just paid off. In my quest of finding myself and where am I coming from and what's the purpose of my existence, just like anybody these days does, I went a bit further. I asked to myself, if I was sent to this world to do something, that means I was made by somebody and my parents were just an immigration office that gave a thappa for me to come in this world, but there was somewhere else that I was made. And I thought, where? China makes good stuff, but no, I'm not Chinese, and I'm not China assembled. So China is has a good assembly line. And I traveled mentally as far as the instance where I was created, when God was just creating me. I'm sorry, it's my personal opinion. It's how I look at it. And I went all the way back to my assembly line when I was being created. And I could just see in my imagination that God was creating me. Allah मुझे बना रहे थे तो मेरी आंखें और चुंदियाई भी रखी. जब हंसूंगा तो और चुंदियाँ आएंगी और दांत मेरे ऐसे नजर आएंगे और फिर मैं जब हंसूंगा मैं रोऊंगा तो ऐसे लगूंगा. जब मैं चलूंगा तो मैं ऐसे चलूंगा. जब मैं बात करूंगा तो ऐसे करूंगा कि कोई ज़बान किसी को समझ नहीं आएगी क्योंकि इतनी बहुत ज़बानें मिक्स हुई हुई हैं. So मैंने सोचा कि hey, wait a minute. I'm made in heaven, which means I can't go wrong, and I was made not only the best factory in the universe, but I was made by the best creator in the universe. So he can't go wrong with me. And it holds true for all living and non-living stuff in the universe. Because Allah or God or Lord Almighty made it himself, I think these things have a purpose and they can't be wrong. And then I looked around and I looked at a hummingbird, I looked at the way a bee makes honey, and I looked at the speed of a cheetah or the power of a lion or the smell of a rose. And I thought, hey, every existence in the universe has one gift. And because we are also products of the universe, we might also be gifted. So then I went back to the production line and I thought, when God was making me, when he put all the features on me, he put all the stuff inside me that he would put inside a goat. Same lungs, heart, intestine, everything same, mind-blowing. And then what he did, he gave me the power of speech, and then he put a cherry, just how you put a cherry on top of a cake, he put a gift inside me. And that's what he did to every living thing, or non-living thing for that matter. He gave every existence in this universe a gift. And that gift be only using somebody else's gift, just like a moonlight from the sun that's shining on the other part of the world. And it's as beautiful as anything in the world. So I thought we all are gifted. So we can't be wrong. And henceforth, whatever decision I take, and I would do anything I love, because I take it up because I can't be wrong. I can't be incapable of it. So I started my journey, and then I kept asking questions. Why aren't we that capable then? If we were made in heaven, we were all made by God, and God never created a single inch in this universe that's not worth anything, तो क्या वजह है कि हम कुछ करते नहीं हैं? और ये एक वजह है कि हम एक डिजास्टर है कि हम कुछ I want to become a doctor, I want to become a nurse. We go to schools with the Dream Factory program. और ये बच्चियां, बच्चे, the बच्चे say कि we want to be doctors. I'm going to show you the exact data we gathered from these places. The बच्चे say we want to be a doctor or an engineer, and the girls surprisingly say we want to be a doctor or an air hostess. An air hostess, my God, who told you this? And then above all, we're forced to choose our life. अब्बा कहते हैं, अम्मा कहती हैं, पुत्र नहीं करेगा ते शादी नहीं होएगी, की करदा पे है तू? And then all the stuff like that. I mean, my mother for third year of my entrepreneurship, and she goes, तुम क्या कर रहे हो मेहर? ये ऐसे करते रहे, अभी तुम्हारी शादी में कराई थी, क्या कर रहे हो? अभी तुम्हें कौन बेटी देगा? मैंने कहा जो नहीं देगा तो उसकी क्या है, उसकी इसीलिए बेहतर होगा कुछ. So everybody is gifted, and because this gift was from somebody, the greatest power of the universe, आप लोग उसको disappoint ना करें by saying that. I think parenting is the most difficult thing, and above all, being a father is even more difficult than being a husband. You can get away with that, but I think being a father is very, very difficult. आपको मेरा ख्याल है पूरा टाइम देना चाहिए. I think if we have parents sitting here, मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने बच्चों से जरा प्लीज बात किया करें, उनको ये ना करें. उस दिन मैं किसी सुन रहा था, तो उस 9th ग्रेड की बच्ची थी, सुक्की पतली सी, वो पता नहीं क्या, बिल्कुल ही आवाज बासाख्ता, और एंड दिस फादर सेइंग मैडम, एंड द प्रिंसिपल के दफ्तर में मैडम को कह रही थी कि इसकी ना कंपनी ये ठीक नहीं, ये बहुत शरारतें करती है. मैडम मैंने तो उसको बस गोली मारनी है, अब ये रह गया. What are you saying? What are you saying? I mean, this is the basis of all the problems and all issues these kids have, because the parents are so much, गोली मारूंगा. कोई कहता ही नहीं है जाके, अगर कोई दुनिया उसको तंग करती है, बच्चा कहता है अब्बा तो मुझे गोली मारने को तुले में, तो मैं कहां से बचाऊं अपने आप. So there are errors that we have. Anyways, because there are no parents here sitting, तो कोई फायदा नहीं है बातें करने का. Anyways, so there are some things I picked up lessons on my way, and this was if you don't find the best in your life, you're not happy. If you're not doing what you love, you're not happy. And if you're not happy, then what else is there to life? Come on, yaar, what else is there to life? And this is something that I picked up from my research for this. Aiming too high and missing is better than aiming too low and hitting it. For example, you're an MBA graduate. I interview MBA graduates every day, and they say, सर वो आपको पता है मार्केट में हालात बड़े ख़राब हैं. ऐसे अच्छा, तो ये तो जॉब खुली हुई है, तो मैं इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ तुम्हारा. हाँ आप फिर बहुत अच्छे हैं, तो मुझे फिर मिल जाएगी. मैंने कहा तो ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ नहीं मिलती तो फिर आप कहीं जाके काम करें. तो वो कहता है अपना काम करें. सर वो कैपिटल नहीं है. There's just one word, two, three words that we just sticking to. Just let go of those dogmas, the stigmata, the dilemmas. Just let go of them. Unleash yourself. Chill. Take a chill, huh? Take a chill. Which means do whatever you love. किसी ने सुना था कि कंप्यूटर करे, हमारे गांव में कंप्यूटर साइंस आ गया, लोगों ने अपनी जमीनें बेच के कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ना शुरू हो गए. Everybody you know was selling their land and going to Islamabad, Pindi, because I'm from Kohar and Peshawar. So everybody was going to Karachi and Lahore and these places and doing BCS. And okay, thank you. One of the things, there's a book called The Secret. उसमें बड़ा वाज़े तौर पे लिखा है thought becomes things. मैं उस दिन सोच रहा था, I had sent my birthday is in January, by the way. My birthday is in January, end of January, by the way. And I love expensive gifts. और कभी कभार मैं लेके वापस भी करा देता हूँ. Oh no, ये वाला नहीं, ये ले लूँ? Okay. You just have to put 2,000 more. So I sent this message to somebody who's close to me. I said, I want this for my birthday. And it's immaculate. It's amazing that I got most and more of the stuff that I had asked from this world, from Lord itself. और मैंने बोला कि इंशाल्लाह मुझे अल्लाह देगा. तो आप यार अर्जी ऊपर डालें. जो अल्टीमेट पावर है, जो सबकी मदद करती है, उसको अर्जी डालें. लोग तो बेचारे खुद बेचारे दर की ठोकरें खा रहे हैं. How am I going to fix your job because I'm worried about my job? How am I going to fix your life because I'm worried about my life? People don't have the capability to help each other. They have, however, the capability to help themselves, and they should better do it. अल्लाह के कामों की टेंशन आप ना लिया करें. ये होगा तो कैसे होगा? God does not live in MCB, God does not live in Coca-Cola, God does not live in Malaysia, God does not live in Peshawar, Karachi, Multan. God lives inside you everywhere you see. Baba, it's true. So Allah's everywhere, yaar. If you were to sit here throughout the day and eat very good pasta here, I think there was a reason that you did. हर चीज इस दुनिया में अल्लाह की मर्जी से हो रही है. And if you're in a situation, then you might capitalize on the situation. You are in the best state of things right now today. आप FC कॉलेज में हो, capitalize on this. Introduce a business, fail in it, introduce whatever. You want to play football, soccer, cricket, play that. You want to sing, ये बच्चे आए थे ठक ठक ठक, बहुत मजा आया मुझे. You know, this was good, right? It was excellent. So just did it, right? And that's what one of the interview questions. इनको असल में मैंने बोला टेड वालों को, I'm sure they're really biting their nails कि क्या मुसीबत बुला ली है. कितने मिनट? 8 मिनट रह गए शायद. So 8 more minutes. Time flies when you're not having fun too. Okay, so मैंने को बोला I'm a dropout, and they got really excited. Oh, Steve Jobs. No, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm not Steve Jobs. No. So because since his death, it's in to be a dropout. Well, for that matter, no. Because I was lucky enough to find institutions afterwards. I got good bosses, bad bosses. I traveled all over the world. मुझे travel करवाया. I met people. I met companies, institutions, whatever. That's where I got the learning from. So it doesn't really matter. What holds true for me does not necessarily hold true for you, and vice versa. Ubuntu. This was an African philosophy that led me into it because I had gained the मतलब इतने मुश्किल से किया. मैंने अल्लाह की मदद का इतबार बड़े बचपन में लगा लिया था. Anyways, जब मैंने सब चीज़ों को देखा, me and my friend who dropped out of FC college the same day joined the computer sciences major in one of the top universities in Lahore, but the top उस ज़माने में थी जो भी है. And then we both failed major subjects. और उससे पहले मैं आपको बताता चलूँ आपके इल्म के लिए कि मैं O levels में 4 मज़मून में फेल होकर मैट्रिक में आया था, और वो मज़मून में उन मज़ामीन में जो टॉप पे था वो कंप्यूटर साइंसेस था. And then I went on doing bachelor's in computer sciences, and I failed all major computer science subjects. And then today, as of today, I am the head of product vision and design at Hook Technologies, which is an IT company, and we're the co-founder for tossdown.com, which is one of the fastest growing online eat out portals in Pakistan and soon in the world, and is the only website of its kind in the world that allows such features to a restaurant in the world. And I'm from FC College. You can double do that. Thank you. Okay, so what we did is, of course, जैसे हर चीज़ मेरी लाइफ में एक्सीडेंटल हुई है, ये भी एक्सीडेंटल था. I went to SOS Herbal Mining School, and I talked to this lady in the head of the thing, the thing, whatever, as institute. Thank you, the school. तो उसको मैंने बोला, मैंने कहा कि मैं आपके बच्चों के आगे से बात करूं, आज से बात करूं, because उस ज़माने में टेट शेट नहीं होता. The only thing that the students would do is arrange concerts, and that's what we did. We were told to, I mean, did I tell you I bribed the guy in the FC college main clerk to get me listed back on the list because I dropped out? I didn't tell you that, right? Okay, forget it. So what we do is we just go to these schools, and what we do is we tell them, this young बच्चों को हम करते हैं, इनके सिर्फ skills को unleash करते हैं. उनको बोलते हैं कि अच्छा, इनसे बोलते हैं कि I saw it. Thank you. Don't disturb me. हम उनको बोलते हैं कि यार, what you do is just unleash their skills. We have bankers जो कि आम bankers हैं. आप अगर इतने बड़े लोगों से relate करना शुरू कर देंगे, heroes like Imran Khan and whatever, the kids at that age do कि कहते हैं कि अच्छा वो तो खुदाई के मखलूक है और हम उधर तक नहीं पहुंच सकते. So what we do is we get ordinary people, somebody who's studying metaphysics in LAMS, we tell them to talk to the kids. Somebody who's a banker, tell them to talk to somebody who's jobless and doing his own stuff, we tell them to talk to the kids, and that's what we do. And we just celebrate being human. And humans unpredictable as much as they are capable of doing stuff. And that's what we do. और एक चीज जो कि आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी is दिल सोच से खाली है, निगाह पाक नहीं है, फिर इसमें अजब क्या कि तू बेबाक नहीं है. आसान उर्दू में, if you are not having a vision, you shall not be bold enough. And that is the main crux of it. If you know your game, you would never listen to anybody telling you that it won't work. Eliminate and fire all the wrong people in your life. That's what you do if you want to have a good life. Just quickly, I told you about this. We went to the schools, and जब हम देते हैं ऐसा data हमें मिलता है, half of them want to be engineers and doctors. None of them want to be dropouts. And we go to the schools. इन बच्चों को ऐसे बैठा के हम उनको conventionally ऐसे बैठते हैं. Usually लोग तकरीर करके चले जाते हैं, but हमने इनको ऐसे कर दिया. उसके बाद हमने गोल के साथ दरमियान में एक यूनिवर्सिटी का बच्चा बैठा दिया, बाकी स्कूल के बच्चे थे, so that it's an Ubuntu code of life. Ubuntu means we're collectively growing. I am what we all are. If I am good and I'm prosperous, that means we all are prosperous. So that's what we're doing. We did this. We have all these people sitting on the floors and teaching these kids. और ये SOS के लोग हैं that are really underprivileged, are deprived of basic things like mother and father and relatives. इनको कुछ भी नहीं है, and they're doing such wonders. And this is the statistics of Pakistan. 40 million तकरीबन students हैं. इनको हमें गौर करना चाहिए. This is the life lessons I've learned. We've talked more of it. I want you to focus on this part. You need these 5 ecstatic rules of success, which is patience, persistence, perseverance. Everything that goes wrong is your fault. If you ask for crap, you will get it. Have total faith in Allah, because He is the sublime creator. He has everything in control, and He will make it happen for you if He wants to. Ask, put your questions to the universe, listen to what your answers are. These answers are going to come not in packets supplied to you by an angel at night, but there will be packets coming into you in form of people talking to you and events happening. These are some of the dreamers, and this is one of my favorite dreamers. I think we need to celebrate his ideas because दुनिया ने तो उसका बहुत देखा होगा. मैं इसको तब से मानता हूँ because मेरे एक दोस्त की शादी हो रही थी, उसने मुझे बोला कि यार मैं मुंह दिखाई में भाभी को आईफोन ना दे दूं. So I thought this guy was really a dreamer. इसने दुनिया को चेंज कर दिया. And if you could have the video, please. I'll leave you with a video that just shows you what we did in that school, and I wish you all the best of luck in life.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. Here we go, it's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just life, that's how it is. 'Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, can't you see? I'm on the